Now let's have another look at a Fit to Reader. Now you've got an option with this where you can actually access, for example, LS Bard, which is a fabulous bookshare option. It's a national library for the blind and you can download information and books. But you have to sign up for it first before you can log in using your Fit to Reader. So I'm going to show you how to log in with your Fit to Reader first, going on the fact that you've already signed up online. So again, at the very top, remember that circle in the middle, at the very top of your Fit to Reader is the Wi-Fi key. I want you to click that so you get the Wi-Fi option up. Once you've selected that, I want you to come down and now select the 7 option, which is accessing your menu. If you keep pressing the number 7 key, it will cycle through some options for you. Now, as you cycle through that, it will tell you various options. You can actually go to another one if you want, but I want to go to LS Bard and imagine you've already logged in. So keep cycling through until you get to an option that says LS Bard, giving the option to log in, and then you'd have to click on it by clicking the bottom right hand corner key, which is called the pound key, but I call it the hash key. It's underneath the 9 key. Click on that, that's your confirmation key. Click on that to confirm. And now you've got to add in your details, your email and password when you originally signed up, for example, LS Bard. Now just remember, if your password has uppercase in it, top right hand corner of your Fit to Reader is a diamond shaped key. It's your bookmark key, but if you click that, it changes from uppercase to lowercase. So when you have to add a password or email, remember that top right hand corner, that diamond key. So once you've added your information in, and again, bottom right hand corner, we're going to click the confirmation key, the hash key, and that will set in your details. And that now gives you the option to access that specific bookshelf online. Now come back down to star, bottom left hand corner, which is underneath the 7 key, and that will cancel. So imagine you've logged in. So click the cancel key. Then go to number 7, the menu key again above it. And I want you to cycle through till you get to LS Bard. Once you get, remember to cycle through using the 4 and 6 key. So remember the 2, 4, 6 and 8 key enables you to access menus and cycle through them. So 4 and 6 to get to LS Bard. Once you get to LS Bard, bottom right hand corner, we're going to click the pound or hash key underneath the 9 key to confirm. So click on that. And it might say popular books, for example, or whatever option you want. Might take a while to load. Once it's loaded, again use the 4 and 6 keys to cycle through the books. When you get to a book you want, that's when you then press, again, the confirmation key, the hash or pound sign key underneath the 9 key. And then that will start downloading. Obviously, it depends on the size of it. Wait for that to download. And once it's downloaded, you then have the option with the 1 key to access your specific bookshelf you want. And you should have now whatever you've downloaded available within your bookshelf.